up, guys? So I'm at my apartment gym. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is a little room that they have. So this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to go over my little 10-minute ab workout / core strengthening circuit. So it's going to be fun. All you need is a weight. I use 25 pounds. Anything that can do that weight works perfectly. If you can't do the weight, just use your body. Whatever works best for you. Sorry, we did a little upper body workout before here. So we're gonna get right into it. It's a very easy, simple, get your blood going. 30 seconds each workout, 15-second break. So it's around 7 to 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how long you rest. So, all right, I'm gonna put my headphones in. Let's get to it. Okay, that was round one. Round one takes about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I don't take a break. If you want to, do 30 seconds and take a break 15 seconds, then go again. I don't like to take the breaks, I like to feel the burn. But we're gonna do that 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. Let's get to it. So, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, that was without any breaks. I didn't do any 15-second break. I did a couple of breaks when I was switching into the workouts, but that's really it. So, I'm definitely tired. Definitely got my blood pumping. Definitely ready to seize the day, even though it's 12:13. We have a whole day ahead of us. Look at that. We got up, we got motivated, got the whole rest of the day. I want these lights on. There we go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you guys do try this workout, how it feels. Was it easy, moderate, advanced? I would love to hear your feedback. I love you guys. Stay tuned.